Yum, that sounds really good.
Start off with a bag of pretzels and dump it in. Then, second, you start off with some popcorn. Then you start off with Cheez-Its. And then you sprinkle the yogurt covered raisins and raisins. And then you're done.
You're done? Do you have to do anything before you serve it?
And then you taste it. No.
What's the big spoon for, I'm wondering?
Then you mix it.
Oh, you mix it so everything gets all tossed together. Yum. And then the best part, tasting. Yum. Oh my goodness.
I love this.
How does it taste? Tastes good. Does it taste a little bit good or like super colossal good? It just tastes a little bit good?
Yeah.
So are you saying one thumb up? Oh, two thumbs up. Boys and girls, did you hear all the good math words that Leo used?
Yeah.
I heard him use first, second, then he said then. That's awesome. Let's give him a big round of applause. Good job, Chef Leo.
This is when
The iPad won't go off.
after Leo